Well, good morning everybody. Sunny day in lovely old Dagenham, not. Today I'm gonna, never done it before, gonna change the downpipe from the bathroom waste on the outside of the house because it's all cracked. It's the old cast iron one. I think what's happened is we had a big freeze up a little while ago, and when she's got in the shower and obviously the hot water's come out, hit the freezing pipe, cracked it. So here we go, see what happens. Okay, this is what we've got. We've got a new hopper, little drain bit, don't know what it's called, couple of clips, some solvent cement, stick them all together, couple of Mars bars, spirit level, and a new pipe. And here's the offending one, which I should have showed you by now. Okay, right, and here we go. Okay, this is the offending bit. It's all pouring out through there, that's disgusting. And it goes all the way down there. And I've just lifted up the cover. Cut the crisp packets down there. So we've got to start off by ripping all these out. All these out from the ball. It's quite sturdy actually. But a nice big hammer and a crowbar should do it. And by the way, I didn't do that, so you know, that bodge is someone from B&Q Bathrooms. Okay, see you later. Right, I'll just show you this. Just have a crowbar behind it. And I pulled these out from it. Yeah, so you can get these out. So that now, that part's away from the wall, so we'll smash that off, see if we can get that out. Right, see if we can put it there. Right, off. There's one at the bottom as well, I think, which is out of it. We'll smash that off now. So let's got that one off. That's one out of the way. Here's a little bit of broken collar. Right. So if I jiggle that pipe, it should come out. And that's that one out. Now it's just a matter, I'll put the camera back there because I've got to get up the ladder. Right. Just to get that one off. Let's see how easy this comes off. And that's that one. That's where it's all gone. Right, got to get the bolts out the top and a little bit off the bottom. It's going to be the hard one. Okay, give that a bit of a hit. Get the crowbar behind it. And then that one comes out as well. There we go. That should pull out. A bit of broken one there. This is disgusting. Look at that. I think I'll have gloves on for that one. This should come out. Come on. It's just stuck in and put in with wood. There it goes. Then we got it. Sticking up. Look at that. Mate, that's going to cause problems. I'm going to clear that out after. Look at that, that's disgusting. And it stinks. It stinks. Excellent. You've got to keep this clean. This is disgusting. Smelly. Right, I'm going to have to wash that hammer. Right, so it's all off. There's the old one. So we're ready to start putting the new one on. Okay, let's have a Mars bar. Right, okay, all we've got to do now is mark out where the new one's going. So I'll grab this. Got a couple of little holes in the back. I'll just get up there, mark it, and then drill it. Okay. Don't cut yourself on a standing knife that you left in there. Right, now I put these little hex head things in here. I'm going to try these bolts. Don't need any raw plugs, they're just screwing into the wall. Right, used for frame fixing and I'm bleeding. Right, this is going to fit through the hole first. And hopefully I can get it in. I don't know if I'm going to reach that. Yep, we are major bleeding. I think I'm going to have to put something on that. Be back in a minute. Otherwise we'll have a red pipe. Okay, it's bleeding a little bit, but there you go. Nice, nice. See it? Yeah. Nice one. That's going to be a pain, isn't it? So what I'm going to do, I ain't got no plasters, so let's see if it reaches. Right, another screw. Another one in. nice and level. Right, that's that bit done. There we are. Okay, now we need to get this measured for the next bit, and then the spirit level line. From that pipe down, wherever we are. Take it from that edge. Just about. We have one of these. I'll stand in front of the light so you can see it. One of these reducers and adders, which will just go on the end of that one. I'll glue it in, and then that one will fit in a new bit of pipe, and then that extends it. But we'll do that down at the bottom when we can't see it with a bit of luck. Right. Okay. I need these clips. We've got to position these. Get the first one in. Put one there. Keep that in line. Nice. Don't know what happened there. I think the camera cut out. There you go. Right, carry on. Okay, sorry about that, the camera died. All I've done was put another bracket on about there. Okay, so we've got 1, 2, 3, and I'm going to put another one down the bottom. Right, so one more bracket and then an extension piece. So I'll be back when I get it out of the motor. Okay, so we've got it down to here. Yeah. So we've got to extend the piece down the bottom and put the little thingy bob on it. Don't know what it's called. Right, and there's another bracket on there as well. You can see that there. Okay, right, got to cut off a piece of pipe about that long, and then we'll put it wherever I've put the bits. Over here. Put this extension piece on, so that goes on that pipe, right, to join them, and then this one goes on the bottom to run it out into the drain. Okay, let's get started with that then. Okay, so we've cut that bit down, right, so I'm gonna, that one will go in that, like that. So I might as well glue that in now. Right. So give it some of that all the way around there. Just so it don't fall off. And there's that one in. That'll dry off in seconds. So that's that pipe going on there. Now I've got to put this bit on now. So try that. We're definitely down. Yep. So I'll glue that one on. That's that glued on. I'll put a bit around there. Just make sure. Right. Then with a bit of glue in the end. Just glue it up to there. Put plenty in. Right, that should hopefully fit in there like that, and that's done. We've got the whole thing in there, and bracketed, and up there. So all nice and done, job done. Tidy up, put the glue away. Good stuff that. Don't like the smell. Okay, so I'll finish tidying up and then we're done. Okay, so it's 12:10. So what's that? 10:30. Under 2 hours, that ain't bad. So we've got it all done. So up there. All the way down, and I just slid this box back on there again, and there it is, all down there. So that's all done, job done. I could go home now, and my sister-in-law should be happy. It's not leaking all over the fence to the neighbours. Right, off we go home, see what the missus has got to say. Thanks for watching. If you like it, click a like. If you want to subscribe, I'm going to start videoing a lot more. So there's a few odds and sods, a bit of a variety. Excuse my tooth, it fell out. Yeah, bit of a variety, bits and pieces. Never done one of them before, so it weren't that hard, was it? Professionals charge you about 250 quid for that, so that's not bad. See you later.